Right, we picked up our third party, John Thompson. We get ready to get out of here. Get ready to get on out of here. We are in Savannah, Georgia. Gassed up. Got our belly buttons full of good old Waffle House. Turn the GoPro on, slapping. GoPro is on. Give you guys a look at the people once we get rolling. I-95 southbound. Savannah Harley Davidson. Look at giving their classes. Let's give you a look at the people. All right, you guys, this is day 2. I'm on I-95 southbound. Headed to Key West. I have the crew behind me. I have to bring you some video for them later on. It ain't much to see on the interstate, so I figured I'll pop on here after we cross this old state line. Cruising about 85, we was anyway. About 80 right now. We're gonna go through Jacksonville and drop down St. Augustine and run down A1A and just have a look-see. Not no big rush. Have a look-see. Go down to Daytona. Probably ride through Main Street. Go by Bethune-Cookman College and go hang out with Teddy and Shayla over there at their house where we gather up tonight. Have a little barbecue and pool party and hang out, but then we'll get up in the morning and the next stop is Homestead. We're gonna hang out at Homestead one night. On the way to Homestead, we're gonna stop at Holiday Park, Holiday Everglades Park. That is the home of the Gator Boys. The show Gator Boys on the Animal Planet. We're gonna take in an airboat ride and check out a alligator wrestling show just to break up the trip. And Monday morning we head to Key West. This is your local, your highway patrol. That's just a sheriff. That's a local sheriff right there. That's making sure everybody is doing what they're supposed to do. And I'm happy about that. Now we're about to cross over this state line, y'all. We should be able to get on the south side of Jacksonville before we need to purchase some more fuel. Nice day. I guess it's about 78, almost 80 degrees right now. I'm saying it'll warm up real nice later on, but real nice day. With this old state line on 95 look like. Be nice to get off this old interstate, get on some back roads, some old beach roads, and see something. I don't mind doing the interstate because you gotta try to get there. But once I get there, I want to see something. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Florida welcomes you. Well, thank you, Florida. Aye. All right, you guys, let's get down here through Jacksonville. All right, we are coming into downtown Jacksonville. Downtown Jacksonville on 95 southbound. We're working our way down towards the A1A. Or we can slide through St. Augustine and have ourselves a look-see. A look-see. Is that why you want to go that way? Just to have a look-see, y'all. Because I ain't never seen it with my own eyes. I ain't never done it. Been down here many times, but I want to go through St. Augustine and just have a look-see and see what they got. I don't particularly eat seafood, but a lot of the folks is with us, they do, so they want to eat a lot of seafood. And we're going to make sure that they get all they can handle. All the seafood and hot butter, what the hell? Hot garlic butter dipping lemon sauce or whatever they be doing. I don't eat seafood. I don't eat nothing that smells like fish. Come on now. Come on now. You roger me? Well, this is downtown Jacksonville. Look at that right there. Downtown Jacksonville, y'all. Let's give it a good look. GoPro is on. GoPro is on. Ain't a whole lot to see here. I ain't even gonna waste my damn memory card on a whole bunch of damn that. So I want to give you guys a look. On this boogity bridge. We gonna jump off here. We'll jump off here and doggone cut down this 295 to Jacksonville, the Jacksonville beaches. Peace. we're through downtown on 95. We're gonna jump on 295 to Jack's Beaches. We want to go to Jack's Beaches. Jack's Beaches. And I'm flying a little bit green because I've never done this before, but I'm just going by what was told to me. But that's all about finding your way around. Get off that interstate for a little while. What y'all think? I'll let you know where we end up. That's the sign I was looking for, y'all. There's something about a pickup man. St. Augustine is what we're looking for. Alright, let's check this out. This looks kind of interesting. Big tall bridge. Getting their workout on. Ooh, look at that blue sky. I smell water. Alright, give y'all a little glimpse of all these old fine homes down the A1A. Look at the ocean, y'all. Ugh. A1A in full effect. I'm liking it a lot. Them old houses there, this must be the old side. I like it a lot. Probably find something good to eat down through here. You reckon they got some seafood for them seafood lovers? Woo! A1A, we on the south side of Jacksonville, heading towards Daytona. We're gonna go through Flagler Beach. Might get off here and try to put that pinky toe in the sand a little bit somewhere. Surely they got somewhere where I can put my pinky toe in. You hear me?
Thanks for watching another episode of Slappy Adventures. Please like, share, and comment. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Hey, stay tuned for more videos like these. Thanks for watching.